So today we're gonna do an oil change on this truck. So first we're just gonna do this oil change, and this is what we're gonna do today. We're gonna do the drain plug. It's right there. It's like some big oil. Letting it drain. It looks like it's almost done. That's a lot better than the other oil can. I'm removing the old oil filter. That's what I'm doing right now. We just removed this old oil filter. So next we're gonna put a new oil filter, put the drain bowl back in, and clean up our mess. So we're gonna put in the stray bolt. Just gonna get that. And to seal the flares. So let's do that. Then it's all the way up here into this oil. Let's get this oil leaking going. We get the socket onto this, then let's tighten it. Is it tightened or rust? Have you changed it?
Let me see.
You can stop. Get this oil filter on. It's way up. There we go. Wow. There we go. This is where we're gonna screw it on.
I need this.
See, that's where we're gonna screw it on.
This is.
Okay, so we're gonna fill it up. That's what I'm doing. Put it somewhere. Let's just. Go down. Let's just put it like that. So we're just gonna close. We already got the oil change, everything done. So let's just close the hood. That's it. Please like and subscribe. Stay tuned to the next video.